Good morning dear students. Here I present a picturesque video for you all which will arouse your curiosity in learning the chapter water. So dear students, what is water? It is a natural resource and out of the total water available on the earth, 97% found in oceans, 2% on ice on peaks and the poles, and the remaining 1% is in the rivers, lakes, pond. 3 by 4 portion of earth is covered with water and 97% of water is salty and rest only 1% is water usable. That is why we have said to use it very carefully. Next topic is importance of water in our daily lives. Dear student, water is very important in our lives as our body is 70% of made up of water. It is useful in various activities of bodies like digestion, absorption, circulation and removal of unwanted and waste materials are also done with the help of water. The temperature of body is also controlled by sweating, and thus we should drink plenty of water so that all the process of body runs smoothly. Next topic is drinking water. So water fit for drinking is called drinking water, but we should make it fit by the use of bleaching powder, potassium permanganate and ultraviolet rays also to make it pure for drinking. Our next topic is distilled water. Children, distilled water is the purest form of water and rainwater is also a distilled water. Since it get mixed with the various impurities of environment, that is why it is not fit for drinking. And freezing point of distilled water is 0 degrees Celsius and boiling point of distilled water is 100 degrees Celsius. Next topic is why does ice floats on water? Because its density is more on water than ice. Next is water as a solvent. Student, solubility of water is different for different substance. Solute is the substance which is being dissolved and solvent is the substance that causes dissolving. Mixture of both is called solution. Next topic is hardness and softness of water, which can be tested by the use of soap. So students, when the soap give much lather with the water, then it is called soft water, and when it does not give any lather at all or good lather, it is called hard water. Hardness of water is of two types: permanent hardness and temporary hardness. Okay. Next topic is electrolysis of water. It can be done with the help of an experiment or activity. In that we can find out that water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, and by electrolyzing it, volume of hydrogen is double in water than that of volume of oxygen. Our next topic is water cycle. Water from oceans, ponds, lakes and other sources is continuously evaporating and producing water vapors. This water vapor keeps accumulating in the atmosphere and cools down to form rain. Next topic is water pollution, that is contamination of it. See the picture, water is fully contaminated by the activity of human beings. This picture shows the immersion of idols of God which pollute the water. So various steps have been taken to prevent the cause of water pollution. Government has taken various steps to prevent it and to treat it, and we should be very careful about it, students. Here I came towards the end of explanation. Next class we'll see more about this. Thank you.